How to find square root of 2500 by long division method? First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Consider this pair, second pair. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 25 or nearest to 25. If I take here 5, then 5 squared will be 25, which is equal to 25, right? So this same digit will come to the quotient side also. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down the next pair. 0 0 means actually 0. Since you have placed the digit 5 in the quotient, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. 5 plus 5, 10, right? Now you have to write here a number and you need to multiply. This times this. Since here we have 0, so consider 0 here. So 0 will come here. So 0 times 0. 0 times 0 means 0 times 100. Everything will be 0, right? So our getting digit 2 is 0 is correct. So 0 times 100, which is 0. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done, right? Since we have placed the digit 0 here, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. So 100 plus 0, 100 actually. Look, the double of this 50 is 100. So from this we can say that this answer is correct. So the square root of 2500 by long division method is 50.